Hey there, welcome to Mindbenders. Have you heard of Chat-GPT? It's an AI language model that can answer your questions, provide you with information, and even engage in conversations with you. But did you know that you can also earn money from Chat-GPT? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Chat-GPT account. The first step to earning money from Chat-GPT is to sign up for an account. Simply go to the Chat-GPT website and create an account. Once you've signed up, you can start using the platform to earn money. Step 2. Participate in paid tasks. Chat-GPT offers a variety of paid tasks that you can participate in to earn money. These tasks may include answering questions, completing surveys, or engaging in conversations with other users. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can earn. Step 3. Refer friends and earn referral bonuses. Another way to earn money from Chat-GPT is to refer your friends to the platform. Chat-GPT offers referral bonuses for each person you refer who signs up and completes tasks. So, be sure to share your referral link with your friends and family to earn even more money. Step 4. Cash out your earnings. Once you've earned enough money on Chat-GPT, you can cash out your earnings. Chat-GPT offers a variety of payment methods, including PayPal and bank transfer. Simply choose the payment method that works best for you and cash out your earnings. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to earn money from Chat-GPT. By participating in paid tasks, referring friends, and cashing out your earnings, you can make money on this innovative platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mindbenders for more tips on how to earn money online.